Have you noticed you're getting really low views on all your social media platforms? If so, then this is what you got to do. Here is a fact that most people won't tell you. Reach during the summer does overall drop. And this lasts to around about September because a lot of people are more active, being outside more because the weather's nice. Evenings are longer, people go on holiday, a lot of people see their friends or family, go out for walks, bike rides on their own, and also people's spending habits are a lot different as well. So this is why you may see a decrease in your views or engagement. It's not you, alright? However, you're in luck because there always is going to be an audience or somebody that is going to view and consume your content. So this means you can still grow. This means you can still get sales or monetize. And it can be a lot easier than you think if you know the right thing to do. Now make sure you watch this video to the very end because this is going to be your summer social media growth strategy. And in this video as well, I'm going to give you some content ideas and caption ideas to help you even more. So what are your strategy options here? The first thing you could do is go on your lives more, especially TikTok lives, because TikTok are really ramping or revving things up regarding their TikTok live algorithm. So much that they're going to introduce new tiers. So if you're on live for say 90 minutes, it starts getting boosted to more people, then the next 90 minutes boosted to more people. And you also find on TikTok lives as well, if people give you gifts, it pushes it out to more people so you get more people on your live. And this is a great way to grow on TikTok if you're on that platform without even making content because you're just getting people seeing you all the time. And this gives you a chance to also build connections and relationships with your audience. What's even better, if you go on TikTok live, it will start to push out all your other pieces of content, meaning your account is going to get a nice cheeky view boost. So if you do not use TikTok lives, then you should really be on TikTok lives. And you can still go on TikTok lives even if you have under 1,000 followers. Drop me a comment if you'd like to know how. You could also engage with other people's accounts. It's called social media for a reason. So just comment on 20, 30 accounts a day and you'll get lots of people looking at your comment, providing it's a comment with value, entertainment, or it's sincere. People will jump on your profile, take a look out, if it resonates with them, if it's their ideal audience or your content interests them, then they'll drop you a follow. Easy. And you can do that anyway. You can do it while you're waiting for your friends, on the way to the gym, chilling out in the sun, and it only costs you your time. And if you use templates like the ones, for example, in my description, this is a really good way to grow without much effort. And if you have some already pre-made templates, all you're going to have to do is just copy and paste them and that's it. You could also work on other things. You could start working more on your YouTube channel or start your YouTube channel if you've not done so already. You could update or make your website or your link in bio. You could do a multi-link website advertising your other social media platforms. You could start working on a blog. You could update your products or services or start creating one if you haven't done already. You could also just post more content and really start putting out the content out there. So by the time it's September, your posts start to rank more so they'll be the top of everyone's feeds or even go viral. Then this aligns perfectly or towards the end of the year as you get to start to be seen and more visible on the platform and the platform will start pushing out your content more and more and more. If you wanted to, you could just take a chill pill, make your content more easy to digest, more casual, make it light, relatable, entertaining, and simply mirror your audience's vibe on the platform. Do more vlogs, be more entertaining, be more relatable, show elements of your personal life. Also really take advantage of the stories feature on social media platforms. Because with the stories feature, not only can non-followers see your content, but your die-hard fans will be looking at your stories, so this helps build up connections. But this also gives you a chance to show more personal moments in your life. You don't really want to put it on your main feed, and this can help you become more relatable, more likable, and draw people in closer. This also gives your viewers extra content to binge with. And if someone's looking at your stories, then this may entice them to look at the rest of your content and start binge watching it. Even better if it's a new person looking at your story. So post at least once a day and preferably use the engagement sticker on the first one because if people interact with this then it's going to boost it to more people. Try different posting times. I've already said people use social media a lot less during the summer, so experiment with different posting times and see what works better. For example, you could post very early or very late. If you need more time off, then just reduce your volume. So if you want to get involved with more summer activities, reduce your posting. As people are online less, use this time to recharge more, rejuvenate yourself, and work on other elements to help you thrive. Another idea is batch make your content for September. So really research popular trends, popular subjects. For example, you could use the TikTok Creator Search Insights feature. look what's current trending, what people are talking about, what people are searching for, and make a collection of posts, maybe once a week, 3 a week. It's up to you, depending on the time, how you feel, what vibe you're feeling. But you make a selection of really good posts. You can start uploading these in September and really start to gain some traction when the summer has ended. So regarding your summer social media strategy, it is totally up to you. Just to help you out a bit more, I'm going to give you some bite-sized summer captions you can use in the description, along with the copy and paste templates you could use to really help you to grow and monetize and get more sales. But do what you think's best and what you are feeling right now. So if you want to be ahead of the curve by the time it's September, on the resources in my description. If you've not done so already, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video if you found this information and strategy options helpful, and I will see you on the next one.